Hello everyone. Today's topic is write a program, C program to check that entered year is a leap year or not. Okay. So basically here in this case, we are going to ask a user that you enter one year like 2004, 2008 or 2007, something like that. Okay. And based on our logic, we will decide that it is a leap year or it is not a leap year. Okay, so first of all, for this program we require two header files. So here we have two header files, that is nothing but hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h. Okay, after that void main function and open the bracket. So here we require first one variable because we are going to ask user that you enter the year. Okay, so for that we will require one variable. So for that we have used integer and year. Integer is the data type and year is the name of the variable. Then next line we are asking user that enter the year. So using printf we are asking user that you enter any year. After that scanf, which means obviously when user will enter any year like number 2004, 2008 or something like that, we have to store that number into the variable. So for that scanf %d ampersand year. So here let's say for example user will enter 2020 for example. Okay, so when user will execute this program, suppose, okay, that time let's say user will enter 2020 as a year. Okay, so now what will happen in the next line? If condition, if year mod 4 equal to what? 00. That means right now the value of year is what? 2020. Okay, so first of all 2020 mod 4 equal to 0. So what do you think, condition is true or false? Obviously condition is true. When you will divide that 2020 with that this thing, what you can say 4, you will get answer as what? 0 only. Okay, so it will go inside of this if statement and we have one more if condition. Okay, so once you're done with that first if condition, after that inside the if statement we have one more if condition, that is if again here mod 100 equal to 0. So again 2020 mod 100 equal to 0. So what do you think, what answer you will get? Equal to 0. Condition is true or false? Obviously the condition is what? False, because now 2020, when you will divide 2020 by 100, okay, so obviously in that case you will not get remainder as 0, but it will like you will get answer in decimal 20.2 something like that. Okay, so now here if condition is false for this if condition. Okay, so it will jump to this else part, because if here if condition is there, correct, let me just highlight this 1 minute. Here suppose this is the if condition. Okay, and if it is true it will go inside of this one more if condition. Okay, this one. And for this if condition, if it is true then printf, but if it is false then obviously else part. So this is if and this is else, this is one thing, okay, which is inside of this if statement. Okay, so if here condition true, it will execute all these things till here, but if here condition is false, it will jump to this else part. Okay, so this if and this is else of this if. Else printf what? Leap year only, and it will print year. After that we have one more closing bracket, which means closing of this full if statement and else statement both. This is one if else, this full. So what is the meaning of this else? Here we have one more if condition at the beginning. Okay, if at the beginning only if this condition is false, it will jump to this else part here directly. And here what we have in else printf, it is what? Not a leap year. So I have just highlighted with colors like red if, then red else, green if, green else, and yellow if, yellow else. Just for your understanding only. Okay, so and then get ch and close the bracket. So here we have the output also enter any year. So for example, you will enter 2020. So it is what? Leap year. And same way one more time, if you will execute this program, okay, one more time, so that time again enter any year, and suppose 2021 you have entered, okay, suppose. So 2021 is what? Not a leap year. Okay, so thank you all.